Many people watch the Super Bowl commercials as closely as they watch the game. And one ad we saw during tonight's game aims to get a proposition on the ballot this November.
Yeah, it's a fight between trial lawyers and ride-sharing app Uber. KCRA 3's Andres Valle gets the facts on what you could be voting on.
If you've been scammed by your lawyer, tell your story at protectcaliforniaconsumers.com.
It's this $1 million Super Bowl ad campaign that millions in California watched Sunday night, urging Californians to share their story about how they've been cheated by personal injury attorneys. But did you see who paid for it?
In most campaigns, whoever spends the most money wins. Right now, Uber has the upper hand.
The rideshare company has poured $12 million into the campaign. Uber's arguing the measure seeks to protect Californians from predatory billboard lawyers and doctors who might inflate medical bills with unnecessary procedures and take too big of a share from victims' legal settlements, wanting to cap attorney fees, including expenses, at 25%. But trial lawyers say the tech giant is steering you wrong.
Now, Uber is taking it one step further, trying to stop car crash victims from holding them accountable.
Some Californians saw this ad play in certain TV markets during the Super Bowl, claiming the tech giant is seeking immunity for liability from crashes caused by its drivers.
It's a real advertising war during the Super Bowl, but also something that probably should have been settled in the legislature that's now gone right to the ballot.
Stephen Maviglio is a political strategist and has no involvement in this proposed ballot, but says these measures might not even end up on the ballot.
There is often an attempt by both sides to try to fight each other early in the game in order to reach a compromise and pull these things off the ballot.
Mindy Romero, the director of the Center for Inclusive Democracy at the University of Southern California, says Uber has done this before and won.
Proposition 22 was supported heavily by Uber. We think about $200 million, right, to get that on the ballot and passed by California voters.
That measure passed in 2020, creating an exemption to a state law that would have made drivers eligible for benefits that come with being company employees, making rideshare drivers independent contractors.
I made the point that this was beneficial for the drivers and also beneficial for consumers because their Uber costs or rideshare costs wouldn't be increased.
So what should you, the voter, take into account?
Get all the information you can on the pros and cons. Look for trusted sources of information, the official wording of the ballot, the language that's used. Make sure you're comfortable with it, you understand it.
Reporting in Sacramento, Andres Valle, KCRA 3 News.
And we did have some more questions for Uber about this initiative, but we haven't heard back from them yet. The proposed measure needs to gather 875,000 signatures to be placed on the ballot this November.